Even noticed the other day, the burnout we did was so crazy that we melted away the clips that hold the fender liner, and the fender liner is just completely pooched now. If you guys have not seen the burnout video, we tried to see how long you can do a burnout on a spare tire. The car's been out here for 2 days straight with the windows down, just airing out because it's ranky inside the car. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely either pause this right now and go check it out, or when this video is over, go check out the burnout video because that was one of the coolest things we've done with this car. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. I've owned this car for about 8 months now, and in that time, we have done some crazy progress. I think I said 9 months in the cost video, but I didn't realize that, like, I bought this car the 24th of May, so May didn't really count as a month. So 8 months is how long we've owned this car. In that time, we've done some crazy stuff, and it has been a phenomenal build. I made a little video to take us kind of down memory lane as where this car started, where this car has ended up, because we are about to completely take this car from where it sits right now to a whole nother level. In the next 8 minutes, I'm gonna show you guys the last 8 months of this car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't think it needs much explaining. Enjoy. This is gonna be the base of the entire build. So this car is 100% stock. Let me show you a little. Getting a tachometer. Picked up this garage door trim. Yep, it came out. It looks so stupid. So this is Emerson's old tech. What'd you do? Hey, what the fuck? Robbie repair. There we go. Yo, this is gonna be so sick.
Top isn't good.
It's got like the perforated leather like I have in the BRZ. Like, it's a pretty nice setup.
Okay, hey.
So I pull it a little bit. Did you hear it crack? These are not parts that you want to buy from a knockoff place.
Robbie snapped the bolts underneath and ditched me to go camping this weekend. He's gonna get eaten by a bear. Hopefully, I don't know. What he doesn't know is I got adjustable lower control arms and adjustable upper control arms. I'm gonna surprise him. ECU coming out, new one going in. So the Honda can right together. This thing can go.
Yummy.
Oh, that's risky.
Oh, nice. That was risky.
Dunking it. Okay, we'll do 45 and do 4 on that one.
And welcome back to another video with Robbie Repairs. I'm stressing. I need to get my... No! We did it! Are you ready?
Looks almost like a hat.
Like a helmet or something? We're going to be installing underglow on the Civic. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Quick little trip down memory lane of the last 8 months with this car. Like I said, if you didn't see the burnout video, that's one I highly recommend you guys go watch. That's one I highly recommend you guys go watch. Was a good time. I never would have guessed that buying a Civic would have gotten me to the point where I am today, but not the craziest thing that's ever happened. Thank you guys for all your constant support. I love all you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.